These are the elevators at the Hampton Inn and Suites Hotel in Ocean City, Maryland. Yep. It's a Delaware elevator. And those lanterns used to chime, but now they don't. And look at those brailleys, they're replaced. Go to 5. Hello. 2, 3, 4, and here we are 5. I'm going to send this one down to 2. I don't know why they replaced the brand. Oh, look at that. An ice machine, and there's an electrical room. But the elevator equipment room is to the right. Now to get the other one. Oh, I think here comes this one. Yep. Delaware elevator with GLGA plus. Let's go back to 1. Selfie. Now we get our camp view. I sure like this camp so much. I like it so much. And we have your certificate right there. Emergency phone button. And capacity to 100 pounds. 300 pounds. Yep. Here we're at 1. Watch it close. That's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to subscribe, click on this tab. For more videos, click either one of them.